Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Insightly CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create an Insightly CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an account with Insightly anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business and you have a lot of customers or deals that you're trying to track, having a good CRM can help increase conversions and stay on top of those potential leads. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Insightly website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already opened up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create an Insightly account, you want to click right here, try CRM free. It's in orange color. Okay, so once you do that, you can go ahead and sign up using your Google, your Microsoft login, or you can do what I do and enter your email. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, immediately after, I received an email from Insightly to confirm my account. So let me go ahead and click on the link in my email. Okay, next, Insightly is asking me to go ahead and enter my full name and then create a password. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, I went ahead and created a password. I'm going to click on sign up. Okay, next, in order to create your account, Insightly is going to ask a few questions. So they're asking for my organization or company name, number of users, what industry I'm in, and then also my phone number. So I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click on let's go. Okay, so here Insightly is going to ask me to go ahead and invite my team in. You can do that if you want. I'm going to go ahead and do that later. So I'm going to go ahead and close this down. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes and it brings me here to my Insightly CRM dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start putting together projects and bringing in my contacts. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an Insightly CRM account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.